going on, guys? It's been a while since I've been recording. I've been really busy this year, so I've been trying to structure the shop. Got new guys involved. I got a new body guy that's really good. But in this video, we're going to do a Mustang. It's a kit car. It's called a Zimmer. We're installing a Dakota Digital. And we're also doing a few other jobs. A fuel pump on an F-150, a Lightning. And also the timing cover on that Zimmer. And hope you guys like this episode. We got more cool cars coming in, and keep you guys posted.
What is happening, guys? Welcome back to Precision Garage. One more time, we're cutting the floors today for the EXO car, the back seats. Yesterday we got the seats in, trying to making sure that everything fits. It does. So today's job is gonna get the back floors installed. So we're gonna start making the bases for the seats, and then we'll just keep going. Hopefully I can get the firewall also done today. So stay tuned. Alrighty, so I got the floor cut. You got here a little too late. I caught a fire. Look at this. It's all right. No big deal. All right, so let's see if the little math that I still retain from school works. Apparently it does. Fits nice and tight in there. We're just gonna make some adjustments so it sits flush. Now let's see. I know on the other side I do gotta cut a little bit of the rail, of the original rail, but in theory, it should be a mirror image. So this should fit right in. And it does. I just gotta get rid of a little bit of this factory rail, and we should be all good. So this one falls all the way down. You see, I got a little bit of debris in there, but I'm gonna cut it off, and we should be all good to go. Hey guys, welcome back. So as you can tell, I got both floors fitted in. Obviously, they're not welded in yet. I still have to build the braces for it. And you see all this scrap, we're gonna cut it off, make new inserts. We're gonna secure the floors, then we're gonna move on to build the tunnel. So I think I'm gonna come up with something funky in there. And then also in here, to be able to cover these holes from the old frame. Obviously, we've gone 4 inches wider on each side, so it's 8 inches wider in total for a wider tire track. And then obviously we're gonna go bigger tires, but as of right now, I got these ready. Once I cover here and repair these rust, we're gonna move on to securing the bases for the seats. Hopefully later in the day I can have you guys come around and take a look at it so you can see how the seats are gonna fit. And then we're gonna need to build a firewall, obviously, because it's gonna have a fuel cell. It's gonna sit in the back, so we have to cover all these parts away from the passengers. And then I'm gonna start building what is gonna be the support beams here. The B pillar, obviously this is got a function of a C pillar, but I'm gonna go double since we're gonna use racing seats. I want the passengers to have a little bit more coverage, so they're gonna be better protected if we run a second bar and then maybe some covers in there and get some ideas.
So today we're installing a Dakota Digital on this 86 Ford Zimmer.
Willie with the skills today.
Yeah.
Milanesa.
What's going here? How do you say you're old as fuck in Spanish? Feeling the love, you know? No respect for the old man here.
No respect for the older ones.
That's okay. Okay. Alrighty, so. Oh, there we go. Yeah. So quick fuel filter change. And then this truck came in running rough. So we did a pressure test on the system, on the fuel system, and found out that we were low in pressure. So upon further review, we decided we're gonna put a new fuel pump. It runs like crap. Plus, the customer said it's been sitting for about 3 years, so we're gonna drain the tank, change the pump, get some fresh fuel in it, and off we goes.
And the gas does smell, right?
Huh?
It ended up smelling.
Yeah, it's got a really fun, it smells like varnish, so it is immediately that lets me know it's old gas.
It's
so
old gas.
it's really old. Let's get that bad boy open. You know, I was lucky none of the bolts stripped or anything like that. Ah, there it goes.
Nice.
Wow, it's like Christmas morning. What do we get?
Well, it was your birthday yesterday, so
Yeah.
more like a birthday gift.
God. Got ourselves a fuel pump. You. Alrighty. Little by little, make sure we don't break anything.
It's a pretty color.
It's a pretty color. That's funny. Come on. There we go.
Oh, wow.
1, 2, and up we goes. So there it is. Let's go get the new one, put them side by side, make sure everything is good, clean it up a little bit, and boom, back it goes. Ugh. Yeah, it does have a funky smell.
That's so crazy.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. You want a mouse? Hey, yeah. You want to smell this thing? No. It smells like ethanol. What the fuck? You see that? It's stinky like ethanol.
Hell yeah.
Stinky.
Let me see if I can find a bag in there.
No, it smells like ethanol.
That's kind of a funky smell. Yeah.
Are we gonna reuse the same fuel or we're... he's pretty full. It's probably out tank.
Is this thing cracked? Because a lot of times the white cracks.
Got a funky smell, you see that?
Yeah, put some green in there.
Okay. So dump all that. Okay. Do its thing. While I go check the other thing, you know, the thing of the thing.
The thing of the thing.
The thing of the thing. Let's get the pump, put it in, and bada boom. We looking good.
Look at that, the comparison.
Yeah. Looking good, looks the same. Same here, and same there over there. Before I install it, I'm gonna put a little bit of dielectric grease. And that'll do. That'll do, gentlemen. Make this thing work.
And now the new one is
The new one is in, yep. I'm just gonna put on the bolts, tighten them up it goes, and that's it. We empty the gas tank. We don't like the way the gas smells. Nobody likes the way gas smells. So we're gonna get some fresh premium in there, and that is it.
That's all she wrote. Go ahead and check out what Omar's doing today. Hey Omar, what you got going on today?
Hey, welcome to another episode of Precision Garage. I've got an 86 Mustang kit car sitting here. Obviously, we've already done the custom exhaust work to it already. I had to come in and I pulled the trans out, kicked it back, replaced the flywheel and the starter. They were grinding real bad. The teeth on the flywheel and the starter were chewed up.
If you could please follow me this way. On this side, you're gonna see Omar working on the car. Please keep your hands inside the car at all time and do not keep the mechanics. Please keep coming with me.
All right. That's Will, obviously. You guys know who he is. All right. So, obviously, I already explained I did the flywheel and replaced the starter because they were grinding real bad. We've already done custom exhaust work to this vehicle. Like I said, 86 Mustang kit car. Now what I'm gonna work on next, I'm gonna take the front engine cover off. We got a slight coolant leak coming from the back of the engine cover, right back there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Right in there, behind, right back there, you see the coolant traces all over the oil pan. So yep, that is what I am going to be doing next on this nice 86 kit car here. So stay tuned, I will be back. Ric Flair. You know who Ric Flair is? WWE? Huh? Oh, okay. Yeah, my bad. Come on, Nacho Libre, bro. Back, we got Cruella de Vil's ride. You all haven't noticed. All right. So this was fun, taking this cover off. Oh yeah. It was the highlight of my day.
Oh man.
This thing's gonna come out. Yep. So then now get to clean off this surface right here. Get this old gasket material off since it was leaking real bad. And then I'm also gonna replace the chains. So yeah, buddy. Nice. This is what we got going on right now. Yeah, but it looks a lot to clean.
Oh yeah, it definitely does. What year is this car?
This is 86 kit build. It's 86 Mustang 5.0 Mustang trans. We got all the yeah. This thing is something else.
Nice.
It's old school. 101 Dalmatians. Yep. Hit my ride. Now, let's show you guys. I'm gonna show you how nice and fast this thing starts up now, other than the exhaust. We got fancy here. All right. Push start. Woo! There you go. No more grinding, no more noises. We got this beast going.
There it is, entire crew. Here we are, Bossman, Zeke, Johnny, Angel. Out for lunch. This is it. It's the end of the week. Hey, make sure you guys like, follow, subscribe, send us some comments. The next video, we're going to be building the engine for the 72 Cutlass. I shouldn't say we. Zeke did it all. He's a man. He's a man with the deep pockets. And then everybody else, we just hang out, have fun, eat some food, drink some beer. See you guys around.